Today we are making a goose. Arthur's gonna grill out today. So traditional grilling. He wants to bring out a goose and some ribs hamburgers, prime rib, and some tilapia. So sit back, relax, subscribe, thumbs it up, and leave a comment below. Welcome to Carter Secret.
Prize money supersized G5 super fly should be supervised.
The gizzard, the neck, the lungs.
Yeah, he is slippery.
And it's got a lot of fat, so he's definitely. Nice.
I just want the seasonings to stick on it, but I'm not going to, like I said, I didn't use a whole lot of oil because it's already oiling. That might cause it.
We're about to get her on the grill.
Yeah.
That's a goose. And then we got some ribs going out as well over here.
All right, we're getting ready to look at the goose and see what happens. Oh my goodness, how did those get on there?
The goose. It's a goose. Oh, look at the seasonings. DMV Dining Diva. Since people make duck marmalade, she suggested that we add squeeze some fresh orange over Mr. Goose, and we will.
Yeah, we will, yeah.
Look at the smoked oysters.
Mussel.
Oh, mussels.
Okay.
And there's all the innards. And our new subscriber asked, what are we going to do with the innards? We are going to
eat them.
We're going to eat them. If we were making a gravy, we'd put them in the gravy most definitely. But since Mima and Arthur love innards, I know that's what they're going to do. It looks amazing. Amazing. Grill. He's very proud of it. It's his birthday present to himself. You see him doing his Michael Jackson?
All right, let's grab the ribs.
That's a beauty, Arthur.
Oh, well, let's grab those little.
Did you say you're as scared as me? I never cut off.
You did it like so, but you leave it.
I'll let them have they'll make a soup later on. Not today. They're doing a cookout. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay, we outside.
This is the one reason I wanted the
double burner grill.
This right here.
Let me make sure I got a good angle, Mr. Ocean. Hold on. Oh, look good, look good, look good. No.
Alright. So you see this thing?
I want to
I
lose
want
my
to take them
camera.
off. I want to take them off to wet heat and let them cook. And let's see, I'm going to move the ribs over here because now they're cooking, so the duck juice don't matter now because it's all cooked. The cooking stuff there.
Look at that, look at that.
So I'm going to take this.
Oh my goodness. That goose. That. When he saw his glasses to bed up north for him to get singed.
All right, there you go. That's it. That's it for the duck. So he's good.
Duck done. Duck done.
Duck he's just going to cook for a minute.
Y'all saw that fire? Did you see? That's fire. Now that's fire.
And I'm going to put the rest of the ribs on here. Okay, so there we go. Duck is good. He's pretty much done. Stick him. No blood coming out. We're gonna let him sit.
And anything that ain't cooked will get cooked.
We get cooked.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I think I'll mukbang it. I think I'll have some clams, mussels, duck, ribs, and my burger with you. That's right. See, they already ate all the mussels.
I think you got one left.
No, I'll let AJ eat it.
100.
Woo! Come on, baby. Bring them bad boys. Ooh, everything is gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't let us slip, but let the drippings drip. Yang, 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 yang.
So this is the goose.
Goose. Duck, duck, goose.
This is the goose.
You think so?
Grill. Yeah.
Okay, they both fit.
Grill.
They both fit.
Okay.
For me. Yeah.
Ribs.
Again, as the first lady of my church says, yes, 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 yes. Oh, my. Ooh. Burgers, fish, next, and prime rib. But look at the glisten on those ribs. Yes! Woo. There's my tilapia. There's my burgers. Those two on the left have something special inside. And we're smoking up some corn. My. Thank you for coming, the Carter's Eve. Make sure you guys join the fellowship. Subscribe. Become a part of the family. Come sit on the cute couch. Become a Carterian. We appreciate those that are already with the family. We love you so much. We wish blessings and peace to everybody that's a part of our family. And that we just share the video.
Get this just right. Okay. already been
Cut.
cut. So I use the last of what little bit that I have of prime rib. And what I'm gonna do is go over here, move this back a little bit, move that back a little bit. All right, that's it. And
Point to the grill and go like this. Wait, let me do it. Now do it. Oh, now do it. Well, look at me and do it. Yes.
now we're gonna take it from here. We're gonna go on. All right. We're gonna close it up. Let it
Yes, and the author has to cut it.
You can't be looking at someone else's beans even though you
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.